Alrighty, I am back. I am now sharing my screen. This is my first look at what we've done this week in a sense of our open trades. Don't mind these squiggly drawings. It was made for a video. I will get that cleared up for us. Looking at NAS, you guys know I've been eyeing this for the fucking longest. It's going down, but it's very jumpy. Definitely not my fastest trade. Definitely not my nicest trade. Definitely not the perfect trade, but it's still going our way. I still have some hopes for this. Let me go ahead and just check out what I'm looking here. What I don't like is this shark fin type of thing on my TDI indicator. I'm not a big fan of that. That right there is giving me a small for NASDAQ based on the daily time frame. Same thing here as well. You could actually see that we are on the bottom here on this indicator. And we do have that other fin right here. This yellow line is still above the 50. That is pretty scary. That is pretty scary based on the 3-day. The weekly, they're still showing some hopes. The 4-hour, we might touch this great EMA before we go back down. I'm still in the short. I'm not going to take any profits. I'm not going to move anything. I'm not going to touch anything. I'm not going to change my bias. I really am going to continue with this NAS short. Let's go to move on. Same thing with US 30. I could actually place a trade here and get the remainings of whatever is left for this trade. We took a take profit on gold. Well, a mental take. Got wicked. That right there is great news, and we are in a long position now as or since Monday. It's looking pretty promising. I would actually move my stop just because of where we're at. Risk a little bit less because it is gold. It is looking pretty promising. I just got to make sure that price does not drop below this EMA. If it breaks this area, then we are fucked. Boom. We want to stay above that area right there. That's for gold. We're in the green right now. We're up almost $6,000. You know what? Speaking about money, I have not seen our total P&L. I believe we were down 40 something K. I don't know how. I don't remember. What I do remember is losing 40K profit, not being down fucking 40K. I should have been at break even on the account, but it is what it is. Back up there. Let's go ahead and see what I have not seen this whole week. How's it looking? Okay. All right. It's good. It's good. We are eating up the negative equity that we currently been carrying. That's cool. That's cool. USD Mexican peso. We are looking like we are in the right trend. We're still in the red though. Mexican USD, we're in the green, but it's not looking too promising, but we're going to see. JPY, I don't have much leverage on here, so we're kind of chilling for the moment. USD JPY, not touching. We already took that take profit. CAD USD, we are correct on the direction, but it did not come up to the area where I wanted it to come up, so we could then join this. trend. It is what it is. It happens. Normally, I would say, fuck it, let's get the trade in, but I do want to change myself as to how I trade, when I trade, and why do I trade. There's multiple factors as to why I'm not seeing all the results, and I believe me changing little by little, me doing this with you guys, shows me, teaches me how to become a better trader. So at the end of the day, this helps me probably a lot more than it's helping you. I mean, completely realistic. We're up on USD CAD right now. Very beautiful. No red over here, just straight up green. We love that. The daily is looking very nice. As long as this green RSI does not go inside the bands, then we should be chilling. We do need the RSI to come out of these bands on the 3-day charts. And the weekly looks like it's about to shoot right up. So this trade is looking very promising. AUD CHF, this was a mental trade. We bounced off the zone where I commented, if we break, we are fucked. That right there is pretty good news. We do have this spike out to possibly continue going up. That right there builds some momentum for us for AUD CHF based off the daily time frame. We do have a candlestick pattern over here. Do have this candlestick pattern, a bullish, 3 bearish, and a bullish one. That right there is to the upside. It's not the best pattern for this situation, but it's giving me some type of small confirmation like, hey, stay in the trade. We might still be going low. Again, I'm meant to trade. We're not winning or losing anything on that one besides a mental loss. GBP, JPY, it seems like it's not going to go our way. Seems like it's not going to go our way another time. It's fine. We can't win them all. We're definitely not losing the most. So that right there is some relief. S&P 500, I don't trade this. It moves pretty similar as US 30 and NASDAQ in my opinion. I don't really trade this, so I can't really tell you that for sure. We did touch this gray EMA. That right there is pretty good news to then give us an indicator like, hey, we already touched the zone where we had to touch, and now we should keep going down. The daily is showing that. 3 days, kind of scary, but I do believe we should hit around this area. My take profit is a little bit higher just because I want to be a little bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? Conservative, if I use that correctly. Like I said, I don't trade this very often. I don't even trade at all, if I'm being completely honest with you. So this is like a test trade. And obviously one for the books to know what's making me win, what's making me lose, etc., etc. We lost against silver. That right there was a big rip. It showed me the most bearish signs, whereas gold showed me the opposite. I'm very positive, and I should know that gold is a leader of silver. I just thought there might be a possibility where silver might lead for this trend at least. Unfortunately, we were incorrect. That's fine. Where is my paper? Here we go. Paper of tallies. XAG, USD. I already marked it as a loss. Perfect. Awesome. All right. We could get that out of the way then. USD NUC. We're up. It's looking nice. 3-day. Beautiful. It touches even at the bottom. This right here will be the final indicator. If we could at least break this zone, we should be in the green. USD CHF. Already marked it. It was a dub. It's going past our take profit. That's going to go back. So we just move on to the next. Oh my God. Look at Euro NZD. That is a beautiful climb. They do say if it's fast, it won't last. If it's slow, it'll grow. That right there is giving beautiful, beautiful bullish signs. We do have our EMA pretty far away from our band, so that right there is a good sign itself. We're climbing up very slowly, but with great momentum. That's beautiful. We have our EMA swinging right underneath it. That is very nice. It's like a beach ball underwater. That's how I look at EMAs. When there's a swing, there's a AUD CAD, we are currently hovering above the green, above the red. That's all right. Consolidation over here. We have a few highs over here that we failed to break. Excuse me. I apologize. As long as can't really use that anymore since market is closed. We're gonna see what happens. Actually, we're gonna see what happens. We have yet to touch this EMA and this CMA, this aqua one, this blue one. So there's still some hope seeing the downside. We do have this wing over here that came out of the bands and now it's going back in. So that's pretty nice as well. But until then, I can't really see the full story. Just gonna have to let time give me more information. So we'll be back next week. AUDJPY, we're not in. We took the quickest L on AUD NZD. We already wrote that down, I believe. AUD. Yep, I wrote down to trades. Alrighty, AUD USD. We're currently hovering above the red. Can't see much here. There's the beginning of our trade. May have been put in pretty early. I don't have much based off what I just saw right now. I'm not going to keep seeking for more when there's nothing else to be seen. CAD CHF, we are barely hovering above the green. This may be the moment of a switch of trend. It's looking like it. We made our lows over here. We got a double bottom. We do have our highs here that we must break. It's looking pretty promising. But until then, I'm gonna wait to let time give me more information. CAD JPY. We bounced off our entry 2 times. We're above it right now. It's not looking too promising. We're not risking the most, so I'm gonna just let this trade continue on with it being open. We're gonna see what happens. Are we gonna take profit, or are we gonna fucking go straight down and lose that trade? CHF JPY, we're now officially in the green. We are almost halfway there. If on Sunday we get a candlestick that helps engulf this green candlestick, we should be in the clear to go down or take profit. This is what we need. This is what I want. And this is what. Boom, boom, boom. Just a little bit neat for you guys. A little bit more neat for you guys. There we go. We've only had 1 total winner and 2 losses. Straight losses. Maybe the 3rd loss, maybe the 2nd winner. I don't fucking know. We're going to see what market wants to do. Alrighty, Euro AUD. We are up 6 fucking bands on this one. Holy shit. We won the last 2 trades. And this was looking like a winner. About to find out. It's kind of scary looking, but there may be some hope still. Euro CAD might have just reversed on us. Pretty scary. V bottom over here. Euro CHF, we are swimming in greens. Not much I could see. We should hit take profit on this one. We really should. Euro GBP, we are barely in the green. This may be 4 winning trades. Who knows? But we won the last 3, and this is a big fucking winner if we do hit. 24.5 grand. It does seem like we did switch into a different trend. It really does seem like that. It really does seem like that. Let's see how this one goes. Euro JPY. Not sure what happened here. Could have been a W. Could have not been a W. I don't know. Because I don't see it. I don't see it. Sorry, I was supposed to take a nap and then hop back on here, but all I was thinking was making a video for you guys. Get you guys updated. I normally do this on Friday, but Friday I just was out of it. Euro USD, we are in the red. Daily is not looking too. Nope, neither is 4 hour looking too positive for us. 3 hours looking whack. 1 hour is even the worst. It's all right. That's why we place trades everywhere, just so we have backup plans. GBP AUD, we got this beautiful fucking short, beautiful shorts, and it looks like this may be a beautiful long as well. The 3 hour is nice. This right here is the scariest part. We cannot break that area. We just cannot break that area. If we do, we're out. If we do, we're out. Oh my God, that's a big candlestick to a downside, I think, too. GG's. GG's. Alrighty, a few more though. A few more. Barely in the green with GBP CAD. Nothing too interesting. We're about to hit take profit though. We're about to hit take profit on GBP and NZD. We did lose the first trade immediately, and we did place the second one immediately as well. Take profit is right around the corner, not too far from there. So that's a good thing. Ooh, same thing with GBP USD. We're about to hit take profit. We are almost there. NZD CAD, it is barely moving our way now. Let's fucking go. We lost the trade beforehand, but we ended up switching the trend. And now we are joining in with the trend. We won the last NZD CHF, but we're currently in the red for this current CHF trade. Seems like it might hit straight to our stop loss. It really does, but we're about to see what's going to happen. NZD JPY, seems like we did not place a trade when market opened, but we do have a meant to trade here, and it's looking like it's going to hit our take profit. Wow. It is what it is. NZD USD. We almost got stopped out. We're halfway there, baby. Halfway there. We won the last one for that. I believe we have one more over here. Oh no, let's bring that back. Somewhere there, we may have hit that or lost that. I can't really see, but it definitely wasn't a smaller time frames. And that's all right, because we are focusing on now anyways. That's that. Oh, what happened here? This was a random trade. I made that one morning. May have been a Wednesday. Seems like we may have gone stopped out. I probably was hoping to go short. Yep. We got stopped out. GG's on that. Oh my God, was I really risking that much? I mean, might as well just fucking leave it. Or about to see what's gonna happen. I don't know what happened here. But that's that. And I do have a Ethereum long position open. This one we were definitely over leveraging. It's definitely looking like it's not going our way. Could pull it out for some profits. But I am all in or all out, and I would much rather be all in than all out. That's that. I will make back that 49 grand. I will make it back and make our accounts become a $200,000 paper money account. I will be trying again and actually be disciplined when it comes to my trades. The last few trades were just straight bullshit. Just trying to win it back, especially this Ethereum trade as well. I'm gonna go take a nap. Then I'll be back and we'll go from there. Alright, gonna make you guys another video. And yeah, we'll go from there. Peace.